Hey baby, what's up? Nothing, just playing a little game is all. Let's see. Oh shit. There we go. We're good. There we go. Easy peasy. Scared me for a second, but it was nothing. Just a little bad guy. Whew. Oh, well, what's up? Yeah? You just wanting some cuddles? Okay, can it be in a bit? No. No. I just started playing, baby. Yeah. See? I mean, there's no way to show that I just started playing, I guess. I don't know, I just started playing. Ooh, look at that. Progression. 10 ore. Babe. Oh, yawn. Whatever, babe. Here. Call up next to me then. Yes, we can cuddle and I can play games at the same time. It's not the worst thing in the world to do. I'm just mining right now, that's all I'm doing. Well, I mean... Baby. That's all I'm doing. Let's see. Do I have what I need? Damn, I don't. Damn it. Wow, I actually have 10 in here. Yeah. That's pretty good. Well, I can't progress again until the night. Because that's when the wolf spawns. But, I mean, he didn't spawn that night either, so I don't... That's flint. I don't want flint. Up here's iron. I mean tin. What? You want me to pay? Tell you what, I'm gonna be playing for a little bit longer. How much is it? A little bit's just, you know, a little bit. Ooh, wolf meat. I need that. My character's getting hungry. I'm getting hungry. Ooh. Look at that. It's hunting season. I don't think anything is gonna spawn. So let's go to the dungeon. Seems rational. Like reasonable rationale. Ooh. Cotton. I need that. Oh my god. That literally jump scared me. Whew. What? Did you not see that? They literally spawned out of nowhere in front of me. Like, oh. Literally scared me. Okay, baby. Tell you what. After this dungeon, I guess we can snuggle. Okay. Whew, man. That might have been fucking scary. Hello? Is anyone in here? Ooh. Nah, these guys ain't dropping anything for me. Okay, let's see. Babe, I can't focus if you're hugging me that hard. Because all it makes me want to do is just fall into you. You know? Okay, let's see. It's a dead end? What the? Wait a second. Oh my gosh, this ice is movable. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. That's so cool. Not breakable, yeah. I swear you tease me all the fucking time. Oh my gosh, do I have a torch? I do have a torch. Oh my gosh. Oh, I really thought I could burn that. Oh my gosh. That's like such high level of thinking. But sadly, it's not a thing. I just gotta make sure. Because if so, I missed something crazy early on. Ooh, look at that. Oh my god, this is so interesting. I know it's not to you. Not everything can be, just wow, 24/7. But, oh, I wish I could pick these up. You know what? I will. Boom. Wooden chests acquired. I'm trying to break the ceiling. See if I can. Let me see if my bow and arrow can do that. It seems possible, right? No, I don't think it is. The air's on. It's all cool now. Oh, another secret passageway. Man, that's cool. Okay, let's see. Oh, a warning. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, a guardian has risen? What the fuck? Oh, what is that thing? It's crawling, it's on fire, it is creepy. Oh my gosh, that thing was terrifying. What the hell? Ooh. These guys drop some pretty cool stuff. Okay, this room is just creepy though. Fire all around. Ugh. Okay. Let me just get out and we can cuddle some, because honestly, I'm feeling for some cuddlings too. Okay, boom. Quit. That's all I had to do. There we go. Here. No, nothing's more important than you. I cannot stress that enough. You're like literally I don't know, just so fucking important to me. And, it's just that I want to play a game for a little bit, I'm with you all day, I cuddle you all the time, but I just wanted a little bit of, you know, gaming time is all. God, you're cute. You know, never mind, it's stupid. No, seriously, it's stupid. Okay. You know what I'd really like is, if you would, use me as sort of a recliner, you know, just sitting in my lap, and I just hug you from behind, and just while you play a game. I don't care what game. I actually have the perfect game. I think you would love it. Honestly, it's a bit old, so the graphics may not be up to your standard. But I think that'd be really nice. Yeah. Okay. I'll have to. Jeez. I'll have to get out the GameCube. Jeez. I mean Wii, because, you know, GameCube broke. Oh. But yeah, I think you'll like it a lot, because honestly, I loved it as a kid. It's a farming game. It's called Harvest Moon. And, you know, yeah, here. I want to show you how I want to, you know, I guess sit with you. There, right there. Sit right there and just scoot your back into me. There we go. See? This way, I get to kiss the back of your neck and watch you play a game that I think you like. If you end up not liking it, you don't have to force yourself to play it, but I just want to sit like this, you know? That's what I really want. I mean, you can play a game, or you can just turn on Netflix. I don't care, but I just wanted to, you know, hold you from behind and cuddle you like this is all. Yeah. Gosh. God, you're so damn cute. I just can't get over this. No, don't worry about it. We can get the game out later. This is what I really wanted. me for now. God, I love you. Don't hide your face. Come on, baby girl. Just show me that beautiful face again. There it is. I can't get enough of you. And your absolute cuteness. Yeah. Okay. You wanna fall asleep like that? Oh, that's fine by me. Here, give me your back again. Hugs. I really do like hugging you from behind and just brushing my thumb against your arms.